In this video, you'll learn how to debug Claude Code installation on Windows. This guide will take you through several steps to ensure that your installation is functioning correctly and that you can get the most out of it. Start by opening Windows Terminal. You can do this by searching for Windows Terminal in the Start menu. Once the terminal is open, begin by checking your node.js and Python installations. Type node-v and press enter to display the node.js version. Then type npm-v to check the version of npm. Next, input python-version to see your Python version, followed by pip-version to verify your pip installation. It is important to ensure that node.js is version 20 or higher, and that Python is version 3.12 or greater. If you find that either node.js or Python is outdated, you will need to download the latest version, navigate to the official node.js or Python website to obtain the latest installers. Once downloaded, run the installers to update your software. This step is crucial as it ensures compatibility with Claude Code. The next step is to check if the Claude CLI is installed. In the terminal, type Claude-version and press enter. If you receive a message indicating that the command is not recognized, you will need to reinstall the CLI. For a global installation with admin rights, use the command npm install -g Claude Code kg unsafe perm % true. If you prefer per user installation without admin rights, enter npm install Claude Code dish -prefix %user profile %npm and then set your path by executing sets path %user profile %npm path %. After completing this step, restart the terminal to apply the changes. To test if the CLI is working correctly, run a simple command by typing Claude write a Python function to reverse a string in the terminal. This will check if the CLI can execute commands properly. If the command fails, it may be necessary to check your API key or network connectivity. Next, you should verify your environment variables, especially the API key. Type echo %cl do underscore API underscore key % in the terminal. If the output is empty, you need to set your API key using the command setsexclude underscore API underscore key underscore here. After setting the key, restart the terminal to ensure the new variable is recognized. You can also run a Python test by importing the AOS module and printing the API key to confirm it has been set correctly. If you encounter issues with connectivity, you may need to check your firewall or proxy settings. Start by pinging the API address by typing ping api.claude. If the ping fails, you may need to configure your proxy settings. Use the commands setx xttp underscore corrects xttp://proxy.com panny.com 8000 atm setx xttps underscore prex xttp://proxy.com panny.com 8000 atm to set the proxy for your terminal. You can also set the proxy in Python by importing OS and setting the environment variables accordingly. If problems persist, you may need to check permissions and ensure that you are running the terminal as an administrator if the global installation fails. For Python virtual environments, activate the virtual environment by entering. If you still encounter errors, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Claude Code CLI by using the commands npm uninstall -g Claude Code k followed by npm install -g Claude Code cam unsafe perm = true. For Python, uninstall and reinstall using pip and uninstall Claude Code and pip install Claude Code Python. Finally, test the installation by running a Python script. Import the Claude_code module, create a client instance using your API key, and print the output of a test generation. In node.js, import the Claude Code module, create a client instance, and log the result of a test generation. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.